Hi, this is Dr. Tom Taylor. If you've ever been in a car accident or had anybody ever tell you about a car accident, this story is going to sound very strange. Imagine sitting in a traffic backup at a freeway exit and seeing a car in your rearview mirror coming up fast behind you and thinking, he's not going to have time to stop. Less than a second later, you hear the crunch of metal at the same time that your body is thrown forward against your shoulder harness and then back into the seat, while your head snaps forward and then back against the headrest. The passenger beside me was knocked unconscious, but I was having an experience that I'd only heard reported by patients in my office. My first thought, now you're not going to believe this, but my first thought was, wow, I've just been in a car accident. I know what to do with this. And I immediately went into gratitude for all I had learned that would help me then and what I was learning in that moment. Meanwhile, I checked on my passenger, who was now conscious and okay, and got out of the car to prevent the other driver from running from the scene. I felt some predictable whiplash symptoms the next day, but after a single memory reframing and life energy balancing session, my body was back to normal within 3 days. If my passenger or I had been seriously injured, the outcome of this story might have been different, because the priorities would have changed and the level of stress would have escalated. Nevertheless, I learned a valuable lesson about how important gratitude is the moment an experience occurs that you wish weren't happening. One thing is certain, you and I can't wind back a clock and unlive an experience we didn't like. What we can do is get as grateful as possible as soon as possible, and our body's healing response will progress rapidly because we will have already removed much of the interference. Here's what you need to do now. Click the link in the description of this video and sign up for this empowering experience. Click the link and sign up now.